Hello YouTube, this is Roger from Roger's Reviews, and I got the camera pointed down a little bit because I'm going to be unboxing. I got a few things in the mail today, and I was going to unbox them here. And I think this is from I think Vistaprint. Pretty sure. Anyway, I'm going to open it up. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but I like to open things. You never know, you might get a surprise. So, yep, business cards. I've been using Vistaprint for, almost 20 years, I think. They've been around that long. They do all my business cards, and I do the plastic ones. They're basically the same size as a credit card, so they fit, and they're rounded too. They're nice and rounded, so they fit. I mean, they slip right in your wallet really nicely. And then if they ever get wet or moisture, if you sweat, it doesn't ruin them. So you can tell they're the same. I'm gonna pull my debit card out so I don't have to worry about the numbers. But see, they're the same size as a credit card, exactly. They're almost like the same material and everything, same thickness and everything. See. So it almost feels the same too. So if you want a credit card that's basically as durable as a credit card or a debit card, Vistaprint has these. This is the thicker one. They have a thinner plastic card, like so. They're like indestructible cards, and I even forgot about a few, and I put them in the washer, in the dryer, and they came out all twisted. And I put them in the microwave. I boiled some water, stuck them in there, and then laid them down, and they flattened right out. So even if they get twisted, you forget about them in the dryer, you can actually bring them back. So again, this is Vistaprint. They make the plastic cards, and I think every once in a while you can find a deal. They're kind of expensive. If you just buy like a few, like 50, they're like, I think they're like 50 cents or 75 cents a piece. But if you get a bunch of them, I usually order, like this is 250, but I usually get a discount because I've been with them for a while, and I usually use this discount code. But you can get them as low as like, I think 20 or 30 cents. And like I said, these aren't the ones you just, put on, you just throw out anywhere. You don't put them on mailboxes. You don't put them on cars and stuff. These are the ones you actually personally hand to people. People that they're going to, actually use your card. But I've had a lot of compliments on them. They last forever, and they're a little bit thicker, so you can, like what I do is I stick them like close to the ATM machines because they're real sturdy. I'll just put like one in there, and they'll stay up there for months until someone grabs them. But like if it rains on them or anything happens, it's not going to hurt it. And if they fall down on the ground or anything, they don't really get dirty either. You can wipe them right off. So just pretend you have your business card on a credit card. Again, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews with the Vistaprint plastic card. They're a little more expensive, but they last a long time. And ever since I've got these, basically I've been using them. And now I've even used them for our sales team, and even some of the people that work for us. I order these, especially people that they're not passing out cards a lot. You just order them 250 and they last forever. So if you like this video, please crush the like button. If you want these plastic cards, you can get them from Vistaprint.com. Okay, thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.